In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete brushes in HiPaint. So to do this, first you want to tap on the brush icon up top, and whenever you do this, you want to find the brush you want to delete. So I'm going to go to the bottom here, I'm going to go to this tutorial brush I created over here, and as you can see, I can simply tap on it to select it. Now whenever you tap on the brush, of course the brush is going to get selected, so this is going to work for any of these brushes over here. Whenever a brush is selected, you can then delete it. So tap on it, it's going to get like blue purple-ish, and then what you want to do, up at the very top, you can see there's going to be a pin button, and then next to the pin button there's like 4 squares. So tap on that button, and from here you want to go to the bottom, and at the bottom here you'll see there's going to be delete buttons. Okay, so you simply want to enable these delete buttons by tapping on them, and they're going to appear at the top inside quick entry. When you've done this, tap on the check mark top right, and now when you have a brush selected, you'll be able to up top scroll towards the right like this, and then there's going to be a delete button. So simply tap on this delete button, and it's going to tell you, are you sure you want to delete the current brush group? That's not the correct one, so you want to use the right one. So as you can see, it says delete, and then it says, are you sure you want to delete the current brush? So if you are sure, tap on the confirm button, and there we go, the brush has been deleted. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.